In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request access in Google Drive. If you've ever found yourself staring at a file in Google Drive that you need access to, but just can't seem to open, you're in the right place. We are going to walk through the process together, step by step, so you can easily request access to view or edit those restricted files. To start, you first need to have the link to the file you're trying to access. Think of this as the address to a locked door that you're only able to knock on if you know where it is. Whether someone sent it to you via email, chat, or you found it in a document, be sure you have it on hand. You could either have it copied and ready in your clipboard or simply have the page open if you've been directed to it. Once you've got the link, head over to your web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever you prefer using. In the search bar, paste the link to the file. This is equivalent to typing in an address in a GPS. You're essentially directing your browser to take you to the exact file location in Google Drive. Pressing enter will navigate you there. As you land on the page, if you don't have access to the file, you will see a prompt indicating that you're restricted from viewing or editing it. Here's where you can choose to request access. Before sending the access request, you have an option to add a personalized message. While this step is optional, it can be beneficial. A brief, polite note explaining why you need access might increase the likelihood of your request being approved quickly. For instance, you could mention your name, the reason for needing access, or how you are related to the document. After entering your message, you're ready to send the request. Typically, there's a button labeled with something like Request Access, which you'll need to click. By doing this, you effectively send a notification to the file owner, letting them know someone is seeking permission. Now, all that's left is to wait for the document owner to check their notifications and grant you access. It might be a good idea to follow up with them directly if you have their contact information, just to expedite the process. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've made a formal request for access in Google Drive. Keep in mind that the response time may vary